Hello, future engineers. There is another video in integral calculus, particularly on iterated integrals. I hope that through this video, your skills and knowledge in integral calculus will be enhanced, and I hope that you will become better engineering students. So here we go. There are 4 exercises from this uh, video, and these exercises are taken from the book by Love and Rainville. So evaluate the given integral. So 26.1 integral 0 to 1 2x squared to 1 plus x of xy dy dx. So that means we have to evaluate first treating y as the variable, x as constant. So that would be x y squared over 2 from integral 0 to 1 of x y squared over 2 from 2x squared to 1 plus x dx. So substituting for y, upper limit. So let's factor out 1 half. So that would be 1 half of quantity x times integral 0 to 1 x, 1 plus x squared minus x times 2x squared dx. Simplifying, that would be 1 half integral from 0 to 1 of x times quantity 1 plus 2x plus x squared, then minus 4x to the 5th dx. Expanding before re-evaluating, 1 half integral 0 to 1 of quantity x plus 2x squared plus x cubed minus 4x to the 5th dx. So we can now evaluate this by power formula. 1 half quantity x squared over 2 plus 2/3 x cubed plus x to the 4th over 4 minus 2/3 x to the 6. 4x to the 6 over 6 is 2/3 x to the 6 from 0 to 1. So that would be 1 half of quantity 1 half plus 2/3 plus 1/4 minus 2/3, then lower limit 0. Of course, everything has x. So we can cancel out 2/3. So 1 half plus 1/4 is 3/4. 3/4 times 1 half is 3/8. So the answer is 3/8. We then proceed to 26.2 integral 0 to 1 integral 1 to 1 plus x squared of quantity y plus 2x to the negative 1 half dy dx. So we treat the first variable as y, 2x is constant, so it's like u to the negative 1 half du. So that this would be u to the positive 1 half over 1 half. So that is integral 0 to 1 of 2 times quantity y plus 2x to the positive 1 half d from 1 to 1 plus x squared dx. So substituting values of y, upper minus lower, so that would be equal to integral 0 to 1 of quantity 2 times 1 plus x squared plus 2x to the 1 half minus 1 plus 2x to the 1 half. After we substitute the lower limit, then times dx. So take note that this is a perfect square trinomial. X squared plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 square. X plus 1 square, quantity square raised to 1 half is x plus 1. So this is 2 integral 0 to 1 of quantity x plus 1, then minus square root of 1 plus 2x dx. So we treat x plus 1 as one term only. So this is x plus 1 square over 2. Then there is constant 2x here. So this is 1 half integral of 2x plus 1 times 2 dx. So that's 1 half integral of u to the 1 half. So that would be minus 1 half u to the 3 halves over 3 halves, or 1 half times 2/3 2x plus 1 to the 3 halves. So integrating 2 quantity x plus 1 square over 2 minus 1 half times 2 thirds quantity 2x plus 1 to the 3 halves from 0 to 1. So upper limit, so 1 plus 1 square, 2 square over 2 is 2. This is 2, cancel out 2. So minus 1 third of 2 to the 3 halves. 3 to the 3 halves rather. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. Then lower limit, minus 1 half. Then minus negative, so plus 1 third of 1. So 2 times quantity 2 minus 1 third of 3 to the 3 halves minus 1 half. 1 square over 2 is still 1 half. Minus negative 1 third, so plus 1 third of 0 plus 1. 1 to the 3 halves is still 1. So 2 minus 1 half plus 1 third, that's 11 over 6. So 2 times quantity 11 over 6 minus square root of 3. This is 1 third 3 square root of 3. So square root of 3. So finally, this is 2 times quantity 11 minus 6 square root of 3 over 6. And that is 1 third quantity 11 minus 6 square root of 3. Next, 26.3, integral 0 to 2, integral 2x to 4 of e to the negative x negative 2y dy dx. We evaluate this first, treating y as the variable. So x is constant, so we have negative 2y. So this is integral 0 to 2 of negative 1 half e to the negative x minus 2y times negative 2 dy dx. So negative 1 half e to the negative x minus 2y negative 2 dy times dx. So this is in the form e to the u du. So that would be negative 1 half quantity negative 1 half integral of e to the negative x minus 2y from 2x to 4, then dx. Substitute when y is 4, this is negative x minus 2 times 4, so e to the negative x minus 8, then lower limit e to the negative x minus 2 times 2x e to the negative 5x. So that would be negative 1 half integral 0 to 2 of quantity e to the negative x minus 8 minus e to the negative 5x dx. We then proceed. This is e to the u negative. So negative 1 half quantity negative e to the negative x minus 8 negative 1 times negative 1 fifth. So plus 1 fifth e to the negative 5x from 0 to 2. So this is negative 1 half quantity negative e to the negative 10 plus 1 fifth e to the negative 10 lower limit minus negative, so plus e to the negative 8, then minus 1 fifth e to the 0. 1 fifth e to the 0 is 1 fifth. So that's minus 1 fifth lower limit. So combining, we have negative 1 half, negative 4 fifths e to the negative 10 plus e to the negative 8 minus 1 fifth. So using the calculator, it just combined, then times negative 1 half, approximately, this is equal to 0.09985. Then lastly, 26.4, integral 0 to pi over 2, y to pi over 2 of y sine 2x dx dy. So we evaluate first in terms of x. So imagine x is the variable, y is constant. So this is integral 0 to pi over 2 of negative 1 half y cosine of 2x from y to pi over 2 dy. So again, that negative 1 half there is because there is 2x here. So negative y over 2 cosine 2x, that's the integral from y to pi over 2. So this is now equal to negative 1 half times quantity integral 0 to pi over 2 of y times negative 1 minus cosine of 2y, because so when we factor out negative 1 half and y remains here, then quantity cosine of 2 times pi over 2, that's cosine of pi, and cosine of pi is negative 1. Then minus cosine of 2 times y is cosine of 2y, then dy. Distribute that, let's make this positive. So that's 1 half integral of y plus y cosine of 2y dy. So let's focus on y cosine 2y dy. Let's put u be y. So the differential of u is dy. dv is cosine 2y dy. And the integral of that is 1 half sine of 2y. So applying integration by parts, that's uv minus integral of v du. So that would now be 1 half quantity y square over 2, then uv plus y over 2, 0 to pi over 2, y over 2 sine of 2y from 0 to pi over 2 minus integral of v du, so minus 1 half integral of sine 2y dy. So this is pi over 2 square, so pi square over 4 over 2, so that's pi square over 8. Then lower limit 0, so this is just pi square over 8. So 1 half quantity pi square over 8. Then for this term, sine of 2 times pi over 2, that's sine of pi, it's 0. Then minus lower limit, sine of 0 is also 0. So we simply eliminate this term here. Then that is, for this case, minus 1 half times another negative 1 half cosine of 2y from 0 to pi over 2. So equals 1 half quantity pi square over 8 minus 1 half times negative 1 half cosine of 2y from 0 to pi over 2. So that would be 1 half times quantity pi square over 8 plus 1/4 of quantity cosine plus 1/4 quantity cosine of pi minus cosine of 0. After we substitute limits. Cosine of pi is negative 1. Cosine of 0 is 1. So this is negative 1 minus 1, negative 2 times 1/4, negative 1 half. So that would be 1 half quantity pi square over 8 minus 1 half. So finally, it is pi square over 16, factor out 1/8. So pi square over 16 times quantity, or simply 1 over 16 times quantity pi square minus 4. 1 over 16 times quantity pi square minus 4. So that's the answer to that integral. So that's it for this video.